Well, the court has adjourned the hearing essentially because of the importance of the issues at stake, and the Attorney General has raised new issues. We were neutral about whether those issues came in, but the court wants to hear them. It just confirms that this is a really important case, and the court and all the parties want to make sure that all of the issues are properly rehearsed in court. So we'll be back on the 9th of May to do that.
How disappointed are you that it is not going ahead today?
Well, of course you get ready for these things, and we were ready to go today, but this is the legal process in action, and we respect that process. The court has asked us all to come back on the 9th of May.
How surprised were you by the intervention by the Attorney General?
Well, I mean, the Attorney General takes his own view, and he obviously has arguments that he wants to put before the court. The court wanted to take those arguments seriously, and so we'll all get an opportunity to discuss them in full in court.
Could you explain those issues?
Well, the Attorney General wants to raise an issue about the validity of the regulations upon which this whole case is based.
Well, this is a hugely significant court case that's going to be heard. I think it's right that the Court of Appeal makes sure that all of the details are covered. The Attorney General clearly believes that there is an issue around devolution related to this case, and the Lord Chief Justice has decided that that needs to be heard, and I think they are right to be prudent on this and make sure all of the angles are covered. This case strikes at the very heart of freedom of speech, religion, conscience and thought, and the Equality Commission's actions are to undermine those fundamental freedoms in our society, and therefore this case needs to be properly heard, and we trust that the Court of Appeal will hear the evidence and overturn the decision that was taken in the county court case.
This is a very important case, for not just for us in the Equality Commission, but particularly for Gareth Lee. And we had a county court judgment last year, and it was appealed today. And we came down today, hopefully, to hear the case presented over 2 days. And so we're very disappointed that there's been an adjournment on a matter that was brought in very late. I think it came in on Monday. We understand on the 9th of March, on the 3rd of March rather, there'll be a hearing as to whether or not this is what's called a devolved matter. There's also been a 4-day set, I think it's in May time, when this is coming back. The disappointment is actually there's an individual involved in this, and this is Gareth, and it's going to be another number of months before this is presented again. He has to go through all this again. So that's where we are today. We'd really hope to hear the arguments and present the case again today.